Hello guys, this is of Python Academy. Welcome to my channel. You're watching me from Facebook, you're watching me from YouTube, you're watching me from TikTok or Instagram. We are all welcome. So today we are going to learn about Python list method. That's what we are going to learn about today. Python list method. So I'm gonna explain what is Python list. If you have been following my channel, I made a video about the Python list, but I've not made a video about the Python list method. So today I'm going to show you 10 powerful Python list method. 10 powerful Python list method. So are you ready for this? Let's roll. Now, first of all, let me go to my VS Code over here. So this is my VS Code. Yeah, and I'm gonna open new tab, save it. So I'll save as, let's say, Python underscore list underscore methods method.py. That's what I'm gonna do. So that is it. So I've opened my Python list method. Now I'm going to run it from here. So I'm going to run it from here. Python list method. Now, first of all, we need to use one Python example for this. We need to use one Python list example. Let's say we have x assigned integers like 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 7, 0. So we have this on our platform, on our website here, on our VS Code. So over here, then we want to try the Python list method. We are going to learn contain Python list method. So I'm going to list them for you. Number one, I have the append. Yeah, the append. There is one. Number one, the append. Yeah. Number one, the append Python list method. Now, what is the function of this append? It is used to add elements into the list, existing list. That is the meaning of this. It is used to add elements into the existing list. So let's say we have something like this. Let's say we have A assigned, let's say 400. A assigned 400. Now, we want to add this A into the Python list using the append. So we are going to say x dot, okay, let's first of all print x. Let's say print x. So when you say print x, now let's go to our terminal. This is our terminal. Now let us run this code. Now you see print x, I got this code over here. You see print x, I got this over here, but as print x. So now we want to add this 400 into it. So how are we going to do it? So we are going to say, let's add that here. We say x dot append Now we are appending A. Are you getting me? We are appending A. So we've added this right now. We have added this right now. So let us go to our terminal again and run the code. Good. Okay, print x. So this is the print x original one. This is the print x after adding this. Yes, this one is the print x default values. Yeah, in bracket before adding 400. Yeah. So now this after we've added it, the append. Now this is after append. So now after appending 400, so now let's check this on our terminal and let's see if the 400 is being added. So now let's clear the screen. So doing this, wow, you see it is what added, it is added. Are you seeing it? I think let me run it for my VS Code as well, so that at least you will see it. So you see it is added over here. Let me take my picture up. Okay, all right, I think like this is okay for us, so that we can see whatsoever we are doing. So over here, now let me run the same code here. Python manage.py, then hit my enter key. Oh my goodness, I'm not ready for this shit. Let me run this code again. So we're gonna say Python manage.py slash this. Nobody could hide it, man. So now this is it. So you can see it here, right? So this is it. So this is how the append method works. This is how the append method works. So that is how it works. So alright. Then another thing you need to do then again is after the append method, we have another one. We have another one, declare. That is hashtag number two, clear, declare method. So this is used to clear up the list. Yeah, it is used to clear up the list. For example, we're gonna say x dot clear. All right, now print x. So now let us go, let's play this and let's run it. Wow, you see x is what? Empty list from here. X is empty list from here. So going over here to going to our terminal to run this same code. Let's see. Wow, you can see x is what? Empty list from here too as well. So now this is for clear. Now let's go to copy. Number three, we'll go to copy. Yeah, the Python copy method. So now the copy is used to copy the text, copy the list value from one variable to another. Yeah, let's say you want to copy the x to y. Let's say we say y assign x dot copy. Y assign x dot copy. That prints y. So now let's run the code over here as well. Sorry, I'm gonna remove this clear because this clear is gonna affect our future code. I will comment it so that it will not be executed. It's not be executed. Yeah. So it's like if I don't comment it to affect our code. Yes. So now good. You see the y is showing here. Are you seeing it? The y is showing here. It means the y successfully copied x to, like the code successfully copied x to y. Now another one you need to learn again is called the count. The count method. What is the count used for? Okay, the count right now, it is used to note the number of times a value or element appear in a list. That is what the count is used for. It is used to know the number of times, you know, an element. For example, you want to know the number of times 4 appear, or 2 appear, or 6 appear. You want to know the number of times. So now let us use it. Let us use our code, our Python list for this. So let's say the count, I'm gonna say b assign x dot count. So what are we counting? I'm counting 6. Yes, I'm counting 6. So let's print b. Print b. Sorry, number 4, right? So number 4. Sorry for not writing that. Number 4. Count. Yeah. So I'm counting 6. So print b. All right. So print b. Now let's go. Wow, b appear how many times? 6 appear how many times? 2. If you run it on our terminal as well, so it appears also 2 times. It appears 2 times over here. So that is how to use the count. Now if we go to our code and check it, so we have 2 4 and 3 and 2 4 5 6 6 here, 1 0 6 6 again, 2 good times, 2 good times. So let's go to number 5. Okay, number 5, we have the number 5. We have the extend. So this extend is used to add another list to a list. That is the meaning of extend. It's not like append. Append is used to add element. Also it's used to add list, but mostly element. But this extend is used to combine lists together. Are you getting me? It's used to combine lists together. So let's go into action. So let's say we have C assign, let's say another list of John. Let's say John. Then let's say CJ, or let's say LLM. Yeah, like LLM, and let's say anthropic. Yeah. So we want to add this into the into the normal list. So how are we going to do that? So we're gonna say x, the former one, dot extend. See, extend, then C. Are you getting me? Oh my goodness. Extend C. Now we say print x. Now let's run it on our terminal and see if we get this. Wow, so it prints out those things for us. So you can see it here, right? You see that it printed everything for us. Let me increase it. So you see, now you see that it's everything is out here. Are you getting? So that is how all these things work. So if you go to our normal terminal, see, come over here, run it. Wow, so it prints out all the stuff. So that is it. Now let's go to the next one. Of after extend, we have the index, right? So what is index? That is number 6. Number 6, index. So what is index? So index is used to know or get the position or the index number of an element from a list. That is the meaning of index. You understand? It is used to get the index number. Remember, in a list, if you've not watched my video about Python list, please go to my YouTube channel, series of Python Academy, and go to my playlist, click on Python for beginners. You're going to see Python list explained. So over here, index is used to know, like to map a number internally. So this is 3, 2, 4. So the index number is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the index number. 8 is the index number. I mean, these are the index numbers 0, 1, 2, because every list counting begins from 0. So that's 0, 4, 1, 2 are the index number. So we want to get the index number of 6. Okay, we used 6 before, of John. Okay, or should we go with John? Okay, the index number of 5. Yeah, 5. Let's go with the index number of 5. So now let's go. Now we are going to say D assign index x dot index, you understand, x dot index of 5, let's say index number of 5, then print D. Now let's run it on our code over here, CLOS clear. Now let's run this. Wow, so the index number is 3. You see, the index number of 5 from our x is called 3. The index number here is what? 3. So how do we know? 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that is it. Even though we run it over here too, it's the same thing. You see, the index number is what? 3. Understand? So it's 3 over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is it. Yeah, so that is it. Now let us go straight again to, now another method we need to learn again is called the insert method. So the insert number, that should be number 7, insert. So the insert is used to add element at a particular position. Yeah, it is used to add element to a particular, it's like in append. But append, remember, append is used to append the text or the element at the back. You see, when you call append, you see it append John, LLM, and Anthropic at the last. So the index is used, the insert is used to append an element, at a specific position. This one now is not at the last, at a specific position. Understand? So now let's go into action. So we're gonna say E assign. We're gonna say x dot insert. X dot insert. Now x dot insert, what are we inserting? Let's say at position, we want to insert in which position are we inserting? So we want to insert at, okay, I think the first position will be more visible if we want the code. Let's say we want to insert at position 0, and what are we inserting? We want to insert CJ soft. We want to insert CJ soft at position 0. Now let us print our x. Let's print our x over here, print x. So when we run this code, you see CJ soft is here now. You see it now, right? CJ soft is here. You see, so we have inserted CJ soft in this. Are you getting me? So you see that CJ soft is there now. Are you getting me? So if you run it on our terminal, the same thing will appear. So when you run it on the terminal, you see it's over here. So look at it over here. So CJ soft at the first. Previously it was 3 at the first. Are you getting me? Previously it was 3. You can see 3. You see 3 at the first. But right now we put it at index 0. That is CJ soft. Another one you need to learn again is called the pop. So the pop is used to remove an element based on the index number. Are you getting me? So that is number 8. Number 8 pop. Yeah. The pop is used to remove an element based on the index number. For example, now let's say we have F at what letter we used, okay, let's say we have E, let's say we have X dot pop, X dot pop. Which letter do you want to remove? So we've added CJ soft right now. So we want to remove letter 3, yeah, or Anthropic. We want to remove Anthropic. So Anthropic is in which value? So let's count from our results over here. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm counting from the terminal. Please look at the terminal. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. Let's remove every index number at 11. Yeah, every index number at 11. So I'm gonna say x dot pop 11. So I'm removing John from here. Let's print x. Let's print x and let's run this code. Okay. So John, you see the final answer here. John is removed automatically. John is removed automatically. You see, over here we have John, here we don't have John again. So even though we run it on our terminal, the same thing is gonna happen. Over here, let's go. You see, here we have John, which is at index 11, but here we don't have John. So by the pop is used to remove element based on the index number. That is what the pop is used for. It is used to remove elements based on the index number. So another one again we need to learn about is called the remove. Now number 9. So number 9 is called remove. What is remove used for? Now remove in particular is used. Yeah, please pay attention. Remove in particular is used to remove element based on the element's name. Are you getting me? It is used to remove element based on the element's name. Unlike the pop is used to remove element based on the index number, but the remove is used to remove element based on the element's name. So over here, let's get into action. So we're gonna say x dot remove. Now what are we removing? We want to remove LLM. So we want to remove LLM. Let's remove LLM. So we want to remove LLM and say print, x. Now let's get into action. Let me clear the screen. I think you should see what I'm doing. So let me clear this over here. So I'm gonna run the code again. Wow. So now LLM is removed. You can see from the second one we have LLM over here. You see the LLM. Now from the last one, the final value, we don't have LLM. So the remove is used to remove element based on the element's name. Are you getting me? So now the last but not the least I have on my list here is called the number 10, known as the sort. So what is this sort used for? The sort is used to sort elements. You understand? It's used to sort, elements. So now let's get over here. We're gonna say x dot, x dot sort. Yeah. So we're gonna say x dot, sorry. So when I say x dot sort, you understand? So now we want to sort the x. Now when you come here, you print x. If you print x, so print x, you're gonna see the action over here. Now say okay, sorry. I am sorting with both string and letter. That is why it's like this. I'm sorting with both string and letter. That is why it's like this. So over here I'm gonna append yes, I will append C. Yeah, so I'm going to append C. Yeah, so that, because if you are sorting letter and numbers together in normal sort function, it will not go. But there is a way we can bypass that by using same Python as well. But that will be another video. So now let us run our code again. Now let's go. Now let's run. Good. Pop. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna comment this pop and comment this one again. So let's go again and see the main area. So remove. So I'm gonna comment remove as well. Please, all those things will not make it to work. All those things will not make it to work. Okay, instant and strange. CJSoft, yeah, CJSoft, insert, yeah, CJSoft, insert, yeah. So I've commented all this. Wow, okay, right. So now it was sorted successfully. You can see sort. Now you see how 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 400. You see it sorts them in accordance. It sorts them in accordance. So what if we reverse it? What if we do the reverse of the sort? Are you getting me? What if we do the reverse of the sort? So let's say reverse true. Now let us see the sort again. Let's go. Wow, you see the 400 right now is at the beginning, while the 00 at the end. Are you getting me? You can even sort based on the length or based on, you know, the maximum number. Are you getting me? Yeah, you can sort based on the length or the maximum number. That is why we use function sort. So I'm gonna end the sort over here. You can use function in sort. How to use function sort? Understand? Okay, I think let me do it. So let me do it. So I'm gonna say def, okay, sort underscore form, then value or element. So come over here. So I'm gonna say return length of element. So sort by length is what I'm doing right now. So we are doing sort by length. So that is what we are doing. So I haven't done this. So I can come over here right now. Say, okay, I want to put key func. I want to put key assign sort underscore func. So bring this. Now let's run this code over here. Wow, it has no, the object of type int has no length. Okay, type int. Okay, yeah, type int has no length. Yeah. So type int has no length. It's true. Yeah, it's true. So let's say we want to, you know, my god, let's say we want to, you know, sort by, let's put this over here. Let's go sort. Yeah, int has no length. It's true. So is it? Okay, it's not iterable. Okay, all right. So now I want to teach you the sort so that you understand it in a way. So using the key func. So let's say we sort by let me use the number. Let me create another thing here. Let's say f assign, let's say llm let's say John, and let's say open AI. Now, so we want to sort by length. Okay, so we want to sort this by length. Let me take it to the top of the function. So we want to sort this by, you know, we want to sort it by length. Are you getting me? So I'm gonna say sort by length. So now instead of me to put this here, I'm gonna put f dot sort key func. Yeah, so I'm gonna print f, not x again. So I want to show you how this sorts work. I don't want to make this video complicated, so that is why I'm showing you how it works. So let's go. Good. So it sorted this for us, LLM, John, and OpenAI. Now it sorted based on the length. So now let us say we have OpenAI first. Yeah, let's say we have, I want you to see the effect of what I'm doing. Let's say we have OpenAI first, and over here we have Anthropic. Understand? Let's say we have this, and let us run this sort again. Now you see we have LLM, John, OpenAI, Anthropic. You see that from here now, OpenAI is the first, LLM is the second, but you see it sorted it out for us based on the length. Are you getting me? It sorted it out for us based on the length. Understand? We can sort for the numbers as well. You can also sort for the numbers as well. Are you getting me? But you can also sort for the numbers as well. So you see that it sorts this thing out based on, you see, based on the length of the name. That is how you sort it out for us. Now that is how they sort, you know, that is how they sort easily, you know, the sort easily work. Are you getting me? Yeah. That is how they sort easily work. You see, that is how it works. Understand? So that is how it works. So now this is the sort, this is it. So now that is how this particular one works. So now I want us to do one particular experiment again. I want us to do one experiment. Let's say we have the sort underscore x underscore func. Then we have, let's say, a b. Good. Now we say return a greater than b. Yeah, we say return a greater than b. And over here, let's use the x again. Let's say we say x dot sort open bracket key. So we say sort underscore x underscore, oh my goodness, sort underscore x underscore func. So sort underscore x underscore func, let's say print x. Okay, so they say okay. Two. All right. So I want to make it easy for you to understand the sorting of the thing. I want to make it easier for you to understand the sorting of the thing. Oh my God. So now let me see how it's gonna work over here. Let me see how it's gonna work over here. You see, I'm going to make sure that this sort works over here because it needs to work. Yeah, it needs to work. So I'll remove this variable here. I'm gonna say, okay, sort anything greater than 2. Yeah, sort anything greater. It must work. This must work. Yeah, it must work. It should work. Yeah, should work. So any number greater than 2 is the first. You're gonna sort this as any number greater than 2 is the first. Are you getting me? So you see 2, 3, you see 3 2s from here. You see 3 2 this. Are you getting? So now we say, okay, sort a number greater than 2. Are you getting? So you're gonna sort the number for us. So you're gonna see 2 1 0 0. Now greater than 2 starts for 3 4. See 5 6 7 6 6 400. So that is it. Understand? So another method again we need to learn is reverse method. So reverse method. The reverse method is used to reverse the list. It's used to reverse the list. So at this junction, I'm going to show you what the reverse method is. So I'm going to use, you see from here, look at what we have from our x over here. Look at what we have from our x, 3 2 4 5 6 7 So now let us use the reverse method to do that. So let's say x dot reverse So that is it. Now let's say print x. Now let's run this code again. Now you see from 400 at the last over here, the first is now 466 bits. 2, 3. So that is how the reverse works. That is how it works. So if you have any question to ask based on my tutorial, you see the sort, I don't want to make it more complicated. We have a lot to learn under sort. Yeah, we have a lot to learn under sort. So I don't want to make the sort so complicated. The sort over here, I don't want to make it. I just want to keep it simple with some simple logic. You understand? Because if I start going deeper, my users, my audience might not understand. But I'm gonna give you a good video about sorting. For now, bye. So these are the 11 method. Okay, this one is method 11. This is 11 reverse method. So these are the method of sort of Python lists. These are the Python list method. Are you getting me? So remember, we treated, let me go back one more. We treated under the sort over here, we have sort by letters here. So you see we have letters here. So open AI, when you sort it, you see that it's sorted upside down. You see, sorted by the length of the letter. Like, let the shorter name appear first before the longer name. Are you getting me? So that is it. Another one is called the sort x function. So sort every number greater than 2 should appear last. Less than 2 should appear first. So that is the meaning of this sort a greater than 2. Yeah. So let me quickly go through the code so you can see them. See the starting, you can see the code, look at the code. So if you have any question, please leave your question on the comment section and I'm gonna answer you quick. I get you. So thank you and God bless you. Have a nice and wonderful day. For now, bye bye.